Hello YouTube, fellow viewers, subscribers and friends, how are you doing? Today I'm gonna talk about my Thunder and the power I use to power it, alright? I have a mod to show you if you wanna use thicker batteries on your Thunder, like so, and also a recommendation for what I think is the best suited battery for this RC car and why. Alright, all of this is gonna be talked about in the video. When you order from C&A Gel website, all the batteries come to your door. They come in this white box. You have some stickers. The battery comes bubble wrapped. Alright, this is a 3S battery, 3000 milliamp hour, 70C discharge rate. This comes with a XT90 plug and very thick wires. I can show you another 3S that I have here. And yeah, there's almost no comparison. So this will be for sure an upgrade from this. Why I got this? Because C&A Gel had the courtesy to ask me to choose for a battery to show on my channel. And I went for this one. And here's why. I also have bigger batteries. As I told you, I mod my Thunder so it could take these thicker batteries. But the problem with this, for instance, that is 5200 milliamp hour, so the same capacity as the stock. The problem with that is that it's considerably heavier. And I had to mod the shocks. I've made a video about it. Yeah, you'll have to mod the shocks if you want to put a heavier battery, because the springs are not strong enough. So I made this mod that I have a video on my channel. I'll try to put it in the description if you're interested, about a do-it-yourself shock mod. It works on any shocks. Alright, and the idea is to stiffen the spring rate. Continuing, so I had to mod that, but still, as I bashed this pretty hard on BMX tracks, I noticed this more heavier battery was not helping my parts in big jumps, when you jump really high, and it tends to break more parts the heavier the vehicle is. Alright, so I was looking for a battery that was 3S and it was not much heavier than the stock 2S, but that it could perform as good or better as this Z high performance battery. And this is what I chose to that. When you compare it to the stock one, it's almost the same size, which is nice. The weight is almost the same. This is a little bit heavier, and it has a 70C discharge rate. 3000 milliamp hours should be more than enough for this, for a good 15-20 minutes ride. We'll see. I also had this smaller 3S battery, but the running time was not great, and it's just 35C discharge. So yeah, I'm gonna put this one to the test. I'm gonna try to do a speed run but my GPS has been erratic lately, so we'll see if I can do anything with that. But yeah, I'll do a bashing session and test this. Now I'm gonna show you how you go for install a thicker battery. If you already have a thicker battery and you wanna use it on your Thunder, but these battery mounting poles are not long enough. So what I did, I bought some extenders. I'll put the link down there in the description. This costs around $1 or something like that. It's pretty cheap. It's just an extender that has thread on both sides, and then the extender has a female thread on one side and the male thread on the other side. And I ordered these aluminum posts. I'm not sure what car are these for, but maybe they are for this, I don't remember. I'll find the link and put it down there, alright? Then, you don't need to do this, but I did it. I grounded it a little bit on the side that faces the battery. Alright, because this Z5200 was pretty tight, so it was hitting this hard. So I made it straight. Alright, and then you just thread this in. And now you can put taller batteries. Put it like so. And now you have space to put the clips. Before I did this mod, these ones, for instance, wouldn't fit. You couldn't put this top plate. You would put it, but it wouldn't give space for the clips. Alright, so I done that. If you want a more clearer explanation, if you didn't understood, please tell me in the comments. I'll try to explain it better. Maybe do a dedicated video if there's interest in it. Alright, so what I want to talk about more about these batteries. Oh yeah, I'll have to use an adapter, an XT90 to XT60 adapter. I'll put down there in the description the adapters, pre-made adapters, and also the links for the XT90 and XT60 connectors in 5 pairs if you want to make connectors yourself and save some connectors for other projects. Alright, that's all I have to say about this. Next, I'm gonna try to do a speed run outside. It's been raining lately, so the road might be wet, and if it's raining, maybe I'll do it tomorrow, but I'll try to do it today. Speed run this against this and against this. Alright, the test run of this and bashing will be in the next video, because this video is already long. I'm gonna break this in 2 videos. So in the next video I'll be speed running. I hope if my GPS works, and comparing these 3 batteries. Maybe I'll throw in the stock as well. We'll see. Alright, so I want to thank you very much for watching. Remember, I will leave down there the link for the CNAGL website with 5% off on all products. So if you click my link, all the products on the website have extra 5% just for you, my viewers. Alright, go use them. I appreciate you do that, because I get a small commission. I want to thank you for your time. Please subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost you nothing, and it does help me, and you will know when I'll put videos out, okay? Because lots of time, as you already noticed, I put discount codes and awesome deals on my videos. So if you're not a subscriber, you might lost the extra discount codes, because sometimes they are limited and they only work for a few days. If you don't see the video, maybe when you see it, the codes are already spent by someone else. All right, so just hit that subscribe button, that bell notification button, hit that like. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.